Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register Binance US account Easy Guide. Start by signing up with your email and choosing a strong password, then enable two-step authentication using your phone. Follow prompts to enter personal details and provide a clear photo of a government ID and a selfie for KYC. Confirm your identity, add payment methods like bank transfer, and review fee information before completing setup. Let's walk through KYC in simple steps for a smooth verification. First, upload high-quality images of your government ID, ensuring all corners are visible and text is readable. Next, complete the live selfie step by following on-screen guidance to confirm facial match. Finally, accurately enter your full legal name, address, and SSN when asked to avoid delays and ensure your account gets approved quickly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for long sessions, keeping you hydrated between trades and verification steps. Check the description for the product link and other deals we mentioned earlier so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now we cover funding and security so you can trade confidently. Connect a bank account for ACH transfers and verify microdeposits to enable deposits and withdrawals. Turn on two-factor authentication with an authenticator app for stronger login protection, and consider a unique email for crypto activity. Check deposit limits, fee schedules, and withdrawal rules to understand costs and timing before placing any trades or moving assets off platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.